packing for a hike can feel overwhelming. It is not just about the destination, it's about the journey, the experience, and the memories made along the way. And what makes that journey smoother, safer, and more enjoyable? Hiking gear, of course. In this video, we've compiled a list of the 15 coolest hiking gear essentials you need to check out. Beta AR jacket is the ultimate choice for those who demand high performance and versatility in various activities and conditions. This jacket is crafted with most rugged technology, offering maximum durability, ensuring it stands up to the toughest environments. Its waterproof, windproof, and breathable qualities provide comprehensive protection. The helmet-compatible drop hood features an internal collar for extra defense, and the embedded Reco reflector enhances searchability in emergencies. The jacket is designed with technical outdoor functionality in mind. It includes watertight external zippers, rain shield pocket zippers, high volume pockets, an adjustable hem draw cord, and die-cut Velcro adjustable cuffs. Ideal for hiking, trekking, ice climbing, alpine climbing, and travel. The Beta AR jacket is a packable, reliable companion for all your adventures. The Go Time Gear Life Tent is an essential survival tool for any outdoor adventure or emergency. It is made from 100% imported polyester, and this compact, weatherproof tent is designed for 2 people. The tear and puncture-resistant polyethylene terephthalate mylar material reflects 90% of your body heat, keeping you warm and dry in wind, rain, and snow. The weight is 8.7 pounds and packed down to a compact size of 5.25 inches by 3.25 inches. It's easy to carry in your backpack or car survival kit. Setting up the life tent is quick and simple. You can secure it between trees or use rocks and gear for extra stability. In a pinch, it also works as an emergency sleeping bag. The included 120 decibel whistle can alert rescuers from up to a mile away, and the 20-foot paracord can tie down or repair gear. Reliable and compact, the Life Tent is a must-have for your emergency preparedness. Katadyn Be-Free water filter can be your ultimate on-the-go hydration solution in your upcoming hiking. Whether you're camping, hiking, biking or fishing, this filter ensures clean drinking water wherever you roam. Its 1-micron filtration system removes 99.99% of bacteria and 99.9% of protozoa. It is made from PVC and BPA-free materials. It's both safe and durable. The collapsible 0.6-litre Hydra Pack flask fits snugly into any space, from pockets to cycling jerseys, making it compact and portable for any hiking. You don't need any backflushing or extra tools for the maintenance of the filter. The Stay Clean drink nozzle keeps dirt out of your mouth, ensuring pure refreshment with every sip. Plus, it filters up to 1,000 litres without chemicals, thanks to its efficient design. With free flow channels enabling a swift flow rate of up to 2 litres per minute, hydration is fast and hassle-free. Injinji socks is the ultimate solution for happy feet during your adventures. Say goodbye to traditional socks that suffocate your toes and leave your feet soggy. Injinji toe socks are designed to move and flex with your foot, ensuring maximum comfort from heel to toe. Made from a blend of polyester and merino wool, these socks actively wick away sweat, keeping your feet dry and blister-free. But that's not all. Injinji toe socks offer many benefits that traditional socks can't match. Firstly, they prevent blisters by eliminating skin-on-skin friction with individual toe compartments. Secondly, they promote total foot utilization by allowing your toes to splay naturally, enhancing stability and performance. Lastly, their moisture-wicking properties keep your feet cool and dry, no matter the terrain or weather conditions. Whether you're hitting the trails or pounding the pavement, trust in Gingy to keep your feet happy and healthy every step of the way. The HikeNture Gaiters for hiking is designed for rugged terrains. These gaiters ensure your legs stay dry and clean amidst snow, rain, shrubs and dust, promising a hassle-free trekking experience. Crafted with premium materials, the lower section boasts durable 600 denier Oxford cloth, while the upper section features innovative 3-in-1 ripstop fabric for superior waterproofing and breathability. Unlike traditional gaiters, it features a waterproof zipper and reinforced instep straps for longevity and convenience, ensuring a snug fit on any terrain. With extra stretchy PU fabric and adjustable closure systems, these gaiters offer a personalised fit for both men and women. Plus, they come with a compact carry bag for easy transportation. Reflective straps enhance visibility, while nylon pull tabs on zippers ensure easy operation even with gloves. Count on HikeNture for durability, comfort and unmatched performance on every journey. Camping hammock is a must-have for any outdoor enthusiast. Setting up is a breeze with adjustable tree-friendly straps, each 10 feet long with 19 loops, eliminating the hassle of tying knots and ensuring no harm to trees. With a robust 500-pound capacity, this hammock comfortably accommodates 2 adults or 4 children, providing ample space without feeling crowded. Made from durable 210T parachute fabric, it's tear-resistant, easy to clean, and dries quickly. You'll love the luxurious comfort it offers, perfect for relaxing moments with your loved ones. Its compact design and lightweight construction make it ideal for travel, easily fitting into the included stuff sack. Whether it's a camping trip or a leisurely outdoor adventure, this hammock is the perfect companion. Multi-tool. 24-in-1 with mini tools is a lightweight marvel featuring pliers, an electrician wire cutter and stripper, a folding knife, a can and bottle opener, a metal file, screwdrivers with 11 bits featuring a magnetic connector, a scraper and an awl. It is made from high-quality stainless steel, and its compact and lightweight design makes it a breeze to carry in your pocket or store in its included nylon sheath. Whether camping, hiking, backpacking, hunting, fishing, or tackling everyday tasks, this multi-tool is your go-to solution. It's perfect for car or bike repairs, making it an essential addition to any toolkit. The MTP6 tactical pen is crafted from aircraft-grade aluminum, and it is built to endure the unexpected, with drop-tested and water-resistant capabilities. On one end, it features a smooth ballpoint pen for everyday use, while on the other, a tungsten carbide glass breaker stands ready to shatter windows in emergencies, potentially saving lives. But that's not all. This multitasking marvel also incorporates a powerful LED flashlight with 2 modes for illumination versatility. Additionally, its removable multi-tool offers functionalities ranging from opening bottles to tightening screws, ensuring you're equipped for any task. As a bonus, receive 3 ink cartridge refills, 4 sets of batteries, and access to an online self-defense class backed by a limited lifetime warranty. Whether navigating urban jungles or facing wilderness challenges, the MTP6 tactical pen is your discreet yet powerful ally for safety and preparedness. Garmin InReach Mini 2. Satellite communicator keeps you connected globally through the Iridium satellite network, even in the most remote corners where cell signals dare not tread. With 2-way messaging and SOS capabilities, your safety is ensured, and you are backed by 24/7 support from Garmin Response. Flexible airtime plans cater to your needs, whether monthly or annually. Crafted for adventurers, its compact design withstands harsh conditions, meets military standards for durability, and is also water resistant. You can navigate effortlessly with trackback routing and a digital compass while sharing your journey's highlights with loved ones in real time. Extended battery life ensures prolonged use, while weather updates inform you about changing conditions. Compatible with Garmin, Explore and other apps, this communicator seamlessly integrates into your outdoor arsenal, providing connectivity, safety, and navigation wherever your adventures take you. Autosports binoculars are ideal for bird watching, hunting, hiking, sports events, and more. With upgraded 15mm large eyepieces, immerse yourself in a vast, sharp vision that captures every detail. The non-slip, diamond-textured design ensures a secure grip on both sides, preventing accidental slips. Experience high-definition clarity with 10 times power magnification, bringing distant targets 10 times closer. The 25mm objective lens, coupled with advanced, fully multi-coated optics and barium potassium sulfate prism, delivers brighter, clearer images with minimal chromatic aberration. Compact and lightweight at only 0.5 pounds, these foldable binoculars are perfect for both adults and kids aged 8 to 12. They offer eye protection during every adventure because of the shockproof silicone. It is equipped with a neck strap and portable bag for hassle-free carrying and quick access. The Weto travel mug is designed for convenience and versatility. It has a comfortable handle that fits most hands and is easy to carry and use throughout your day. This insulated coffee mug includes 2 BPA-free lids, a sliding lid and a flip straw lid, allowing you to choose based on your preference. Crafted from premium kitchen-grade stainless steel, it features a durable, elegant, pearlescent finish that resists rust, scratching and peeling. The ergonomic design ensures a secure grip, and the non-sweat exterior keeps your hands dry. Its double-wall vacuum insulation technology keeps coffee hot for over 4 hours and beverages cold for over 10 hours. This travel mug is easy to clean and dishwasher safe, and this 14-ounce mug with its stable wide bottom is perfect for home, office or travel. It also makes a thoughtful gift for holidays and special occasions. The Lighting Ever LED flashlight is your reliable companion for any adventure or emergency. Its compact size, measuring just 4.2 inches in length and 1.2 inches in diameter, and weighing only 0.1 kilograms, makes it effortlessly portable, fitting snugly into your hand or pocket. But don't let its small size fool you. This flashlight packs a punch with its super bright LED, capable of illuminating distances of up to 492 feet, casting a luminous flux of approximately 140 lumens to light up any space easily. Its skid-proof design and IPX4 water resistance ensure durability and functionality in various conditions, from light rain to snow. Need to adjust the focus? No problem. The zoomable feature allows you to narrow or widen the beam according to your needs, providing versatility for any situation. Plus, it comes with AAA batteries and an instruction manual ready for immediate use. Get yours today and never be in the dark again. The Soto Windmaster stove is the perfect solution for outdoor cooking. This stove is designed for top performance and works seamlessly with gas mixtures like butane, isobutane and propane. However, it is not compatible with 100% propane. To ensure optimal function, keep the base clean and avoid placing it on the ground or in sandy areas. Always cover the gas canister with its plastic cap when not used or transported to maintain a clean valve system. The Windmaster is ultra lightweight at just 67 grams and features a shock-resistant stealth igniter for easy ignition and durability. Thanks to its efficient design that places the pot close to the flame, it boils 2 cups of water in under 2.5 minutes, even in strong winds. The included 4 flex supports large pots, while the optional Triflex accommodates smaller cookware. With an output of 3,260 watts and a burn time of approximately 1.5 hours per 8-ounce canister. The Windmaster ensures reliable cooking in any condition. Wear smartwatch is your ultimate lifestyle companion. It seamlessly connects to your phone via Bluetooth and stays connected wherever you are. You can get notifications from your favourite apps right on your wrist, whether you're working out, in the office, or on the road. This smartwatch is more than just connectivity. It's your personal fitness coach with over 100 sports modes to track every move you make. This can monitor your health always with features like heart rate, blood oxygen, sleep patterns, and stress levels, all accessible from your wrist. The sleek design and lightweight build ensure comfort all day long. With up to 7 days of battery life, recharging is minimal. This watch is waterproof and dustproof, so you can wear it anywhere, anytime. The BC 60-litre waterproof hiking camping backpack is crafted from durable polyester and nylon. It is made in China and promises reliability and longevity. Designed with your comfort in mind, its ergonomic padded shoulder straps and breathable mesh ensure a strain-free journey. The widened S-type shoulder straps and elastic back panel enhance ventilation and distribute the load evenly, while its frameless design adds to its lightweight appeal, weighing just 2.1 pounds. With ample storage space, including a spacious main compartment and various pockets, organising your gear is effortless. A special drawstring closure prevents items from slipping out, while separate shoe storage maintains cleanliness. The included rain cover adds an extra layer of protection, keeping your belongings dry during unexpected downpours. The 8 adjustable straps offer versatility for securing additional gear, whether hiking, climbing, or camping. From its water-resistant construction to thoughtful features, the Basiche backpack ensures a seamless outdoor experience. Alright, adventurers, that wraps up our list of the 15 coolest hiking gear essentials for your next trek. Thanks for watching. Remember, whether you're a trailblazer or just starting your hiking journey, having the right gear can make all the difference.